So once in a while, you go to your tax, click on it, you see special, you see leaks. I've already claimed my silver and gold out from, so I'm in gold now. Maybe by the time the platinum reach 300, the claim option will be available for me to claim. Same with diamond and master. Understand? Grandmaster, elite, legendary, has not made mythic. So I think that one was when I reached 5 million. So let's be going. I will soon reach those ones very soon. So now my referral tax, I have referred one person, so I have to claim. You have to manually claim your referral tax. So I have to claim 2,500. So let me claim it. It has been added. Okay, now I'm on 219. As you can see, this thing is still loading now. This thing is still tapping. It is the port that is tapping it. So now let me claim 50,000. And then let me claim the last one, which is the one that shows that I've referred up to 10 friends, which is 200,000 coins. So you see, so the more you refer, the more you earn. So this is it. This is the referral. I'm already, as you can see, from 200 and something to 400 and something now. So very soon now, by the time I wake up, I will be in 500. So the more you refer, the more you earn. So in this case now, if I reach 25 referrals, I'm going to be giving 250,000 coin. If I reach 50 referrals, I'm going to be giving 300,000 coins. So that is how it is. 100 is 500,000. 500 is 2 million. Then 1,000 is 2.5 million. Then 10,000 people is 10 million. And 100,000 people is 100 million. So while waiting for that, let's keep tapping. So as you can see, let me tap manually. I've boosted my stuff. This is boost. So this is the level I've reached now. I've reached the level whereby multi-tap. Let me just buy this multi-tap 4K. How much is 4K now? Okay. Multi-tap with 4K. Let me buy it now so that you guys can see. They will deduct 4K from this thing now. All these things helps in increasing your this thing. So let me buy energy limit like 2K. I will leave recharging stuff. So at least with this thing now, let me check full tank. Okay, full tank. Let me click on it. So now let me go back to that boost again. At least full tank. Tapping guru. Let me click on tapping guru. Multiply your tap income by 5x for 20 seconds. Do not use energy. Well, okay, got it. No problem. Oh boy, see the energy. Let me see if okay. It's active. Let me. Let's say I go even clock 500k. I go clock 500k. So I can now tap up to 2,500 before my this thing finishes. Before was I think the startup is it should be around 500. Then as you are buying the boost, it will increase to 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Now it's 2,500. So by the time I finish with this 2,500 now, I think I'll be closer to 500,000. So I think my target should be at least, since I have like 14 days now, my target should be my target should be 1 million per day. But it's not easy, but at least even if it's not 1 million per day, at least 600 or 700,000 per day. Within 10 days, I can get like 8M. Understand? It's not easy, sha. So I'm recording this process now so that you guys can see. I'm recording this process now. Tomorrow I'm going to record more process so that it will be easier for you guys anyway. Like nobody will be under my, except you don't want to do anything, except you don't want to succeed. Because if you follow what I'm doing, you are definitely going to succeed anyway. So that is it. So as you can see, I have done it. Bam, 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 bam. The thing is even increasing. Let me see. The thing is even increasing faster because I bought some boosts that will help you to increase faster. You understand? So all these things, energy task. There's nothing for me to claim here yet. So let me just end this video. Let's allow this thing to be tapping. Tapping. So anyway, let's wait for, okay, it is when it reaches 2500 that the bot will start tapping on its own. So let me just end the video here.